This is the prototype of the self-glazing ceramic, and this product is made up of mainly clay, sandstone, and very small quantities of a certain chemical. As we can see here, the product, it has that shiny glassy surface. This is not due to the fact that we have applied some certain glazing material, but during the process of production, the product self-glazed itself, and that's the beauty part of it. And that's why we can say our product is innovative. Due to its appealing aesthetics, this product can be used as internal and external cladding. And the other thing, because of this shiny glassy surface, the beauty of it is that the product has a very low moisture absorption, and when it is on the wall, the product can look very, very beautiful and natural.